Alright guys, this is Mike with Pacific Tech over here with an '07 Chevy. This is the Equinox battery. Says bad cell, but lack of water. This usually happens to every battery when you go from 100 degrees weather down to 30 something degrees weather. How you open it? And that's how you close it. Open it. You can go right here, pull, pops open, but I'm doing this for a reference. Battery is 521. This battery shouldn't do that, but because we live in California, that's why it's going through its struggle. Especially cold weathers, like 30 degrees. It will have problems, so I have to get distilled water. Do not put tap water. Do not put, club soda. Don't be a moron. Don't listen to people who don't know anything about batteries. Distilled water. Trickle charge it and you should be good to go. And it should be lasting you another year or two. That's how we rebuild batteries. Anyway, it's Mike with Pacific Tech. Leave a comment down below if you think I'm wrong. For those that, understand and do batteries, leave a comment down. Am I right or am I wrong adding distilled water, or we can add acid into it and just filling it up? But anyway, it's a quick, simple video about battery maintenance. Pacific Tech. Not here for thumbs up and not here for thumbs down. I'm here to educate people and teach people how to take care of things so that you're not spending, $210 for one of these batteries. And this is O'Reilly's. Yeah, I believe this is an O'Reilly's battery. Oh no, it's a Duralast. So it's an AutoZone battery that is out of warranty right now, and due to that it needs this done. I can save this battery for the battery makers out there who understand what I'm talking about. Leave a comment down below. If anybody else, this is how we do it. This is how I fix my batteries and make them last beyond the 5-year mark. Maintenance, battery maintenance. And most people don't know that. This is why you're spending $200 or $300 for a battery that, if you took the time to maintenance it, you would have got it done. Maintenance your battery. This usually happens, and the only reason why I know why this happens is because the missus loves to play the radio on, the lights are on, the flashes are on, and then she wants to start it. But anyway, look, it's just simple, quick battery maintenance. Always take care of your batteries so that way the vehicle is running properly. Anyways, Mike with Pacific Tech. Comment down below.